Day 2. Coffee Perel. Spiced pumpkin pie matcha. So I wanted to show you that not all of these are going to be bags. This is the spiced pumpkin pie matcha. Look how tiny this canister is. So I'm gonna make this up. So it really has a strong pumpkin pie scent, which that's the name, so that's good. It's, I don't want to say the pumpkin pie is overbearing the matcha. There's definitely, once you taste it, there's definitely the matcha taste. But it blends really nicely. I'm not sure that I would have thought to do that, but yeah, this is a good one. Definitely a good one. So go find fun.